What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Steve, and thank you for joining us. If this is your first time, consider hitting the like and subscribe. And if you are already in the family, welcome back. Today we are talking about an Air Max that dropped on Air Max Day of this year, 2020. It was not one of the most sought after Air Maxes, but in hand, I think it looks fantastic. I talked about it in my Air Max Day 2020 ranked video. It ranked near the top of that list. And unbeknownst to me, it's actually a women's colorway. So when everything dropped that morning, I was, frantic trying to get my hands on all the colors and colorways that I wanted. And I immediately just ordered these in my normal size, which is a size 12, but that is a women's size 12 that I received. So it's not quite her size, but the wife is going to sub in and rock these on foot for you guys. So round of applause to wifey for the assist. That on foot look is coming up in a second. Today we are talking about the Air Max 90 in the gold metallic colorway. And they look just as cool in hand as they do in the photos. Take a closer look. Alright guys, so now that you've seen these a little bit more up close, it's a pretty straightforward colorway. There was a rose gold one, there was a chrome one or silver one as well. In my opinion, this one showed the best in the photos, and it's your classic Air Max 90 silhouette. Everything is there, but it's all done in a monochrome or monogold, we could say, but with this white midsole, which I think is important, and I think it's what makes this shoe look so nice. It's a nice contrast, it pops really nicely, and first things first, in my opinion, what I would do if I was keeping these shoes, which I gotta send them back because it's not the right size, but if I get a pair for my wife or I get one for myself, I'm gonna swap out these gold type of laces for crisp white laces. I think the white laces are gonna pop and look really nice. The ones that it comes with here are gold. They kind of match with the rest of the upper, but because they can't do this in a metallic looking gold, it comes off as kind of dull and almost mustardy. I'm not a big fan of the laces, the way they look. I think with white laces, these would look really sharp. One of the things I really do like on this colorway is the badge on the back, the Nike Air badge. It just looks like a trophy version of the Air Max 90, or this. It looks like this could be on the front of some, award or something. Just the way it looks, I don't know, it looks sharp. And then on the side here, the Air Max logo here is done in a flat plastic that's color matched, but like I said, it's got that dull look to it. I kind of wish this was also a metallic looking gold as well, but that's not that big of a deal. One of my other favorite elements about this shoe is the top of the tongue here, where you have the Nike Air badge stitched into the top. It is also done in that nice high gloss metallic gold finish, and kind of like the back of the upper, it's got that nice kind of trophy look to it. Like I said, you have the white midsole, the Air Max unit, everything is here. On the bottom, it's a crisp white outsole, the classic Air Max tread pattern, and overall, you're really just gonna like this shoe at first glance, or you're not gonna like it. It's either gonna be too flashy for you, or it's gonna be something that, maybe only females should wear. However you feel, that's fine. Let me know in the comments below, though. I mean, drop a comment. We gotta get that YouTube algorithm working, so let me know how you feel about these shoes down below. Personally, I think it works really well, especially seeing it in hand. This really could be the kind of shoe that if you have like a really nice sneaker room or some kind of setup somewhere in your house that you want to display or convey your love of sneakers to your guests and whoever comes over, you could actually use this shoe as one of those type of showpieces, like up on a shelf, kind of on its own. And it's not like it's one of those super special colorways that sneakerheads are going to come over and fawn over, but it can actually work as a decorative piece. I mean, people spend a lot more for like a vase to put in their house, so rock the shoes, wear them out, have fun with them, and just move on to the next pair. There's no need to be all crazy about keeping your shoes crispy and clean, because guys, there's like 30 more sneakers dropping in the next month anyway, so there's never going to be a shortage of sneakers to rock. In my opinion, of course, you can feel the way you want, but I just feel like if you like the shoes, buy them, wear them, and move on to the next one. But that does it for me, guys. Let me know what you think about this shoe down in the comments below. Did you get the other metallic colorways in hand? How do they feel? How do they look? Let me know, because I think of all three, this one looked the best. And yeah, more sneakers are coming. So consider hitting the like and subscribe if you already have. I appreciate you. If you haven't yet, smash that button, and welcome to the family. We're on the journey to 1,000 subscribers and beyond. And yeah, it's only gonna go up from here, guys. I mean, I'm gonna try to get as many sneakers as I can and review them and give you my honest thoughts and impressions. So, with that being said, I hope you are staying well, hope you are staying healthy, hope you have a good day, good evening, good night whenever you are watching this, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.